If getting adventurous in the kitchen sounds like your idea of a good time, you might enjoy adding a sous vide machine to your arsenal of cooking appliances. Once reserved for high-end restaurants, sous vide cooking has become mainstream over the last decade, and for good reason. This method of cooking, which involves vacuum sealing your ingredients in a plastic bag and immersing them in a regulated, low-temperature bath. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 sous vide machines on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anova Culinary AN400 USOO. If you're looking for a sous vide machine that will take up minimal kitchen real estate, consider this pick by Anova. The Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano is an ultra-compact immersion circulator that doesn't skimp on performance. This sous vide cooker features a 750-watt motor circulates water to achieve extremely precise cooking temperatures no matter your recipe. Whether you are cooking chicken, fish, eggs, or vegetables, simply set your desired time and temperature using the user-friendly LED control panel. Measuring just over 12 inches, the small but mighty Anova Precision Cooker Nano can fit in any kitchen drawer, so you don't have to worry about clutter on your kitchen counters. When ready to use, simply take it out and attach it to your favorite cooking pot, thanks to a heavy-duty clamp. This sous vide machine is made of durable plastic that is easy to clean. Number 2. Anova Culinary AN500 USOO. This pick from Anova is a 1000-watt immersion cooker that creates a water flow at the precise temperature required for a perfect finish on all your meals, every time. This means you never have to worry about overcooking a meal again. This easy-to-use sous vide machine doesn't require a stove, thermometer, flame, or additional equipment. Simply attach it to any stock pot or container of water, thanks to a fully adjustable and water-resistant clamp, and add your food in a sealed bag. Then, set your desired temperature and duration from the intuitive control panel and wait for your meal to cook. You can operate this sous vide machine manually, or connect to Anova's app for free access to thousands of recipes that are sure to get you feeling excited about cooking. It's also a little bulkier than some of the other picks on our list. Nonetheless, its convenient features make it our best overall pick. Number 3. Breville Joule Sous Vide. If style ranks high on your list of kitchen tool must-haves, the Breville Joule Sous Vide is our pick for best design. It's sleek and compact, measuring just 11 inches tall and 1.3 pounds, with a white exterior accented by a stainless steel cap and base. You can easily fit this immersion circulator into any kitchen drawer, but we would argue it is pretty enough for a permanent spot on your kitchen countertop. When it comes to performance, the Breville Joule doesn't disappoint. It features 1100 watts of power for fast water heating and precision with 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike other immersion circulators that are outfitted with clamps, this sous vide cooker features a magnetic base that securely attaches to most pots. To take advantage of smart features, however, you'll need an phone with iOS 8.0 or later, or Android 4.4 or later. Some features will also require Wi-Fi connection. Number 4. Monoprice Sous Vide. Looking for the best sous vide machine on a budget? The Monoprice Sous Vide Immersion Cooker gives you all the basics you need to achieve the perfect sous vide bath for all your favorite foods for less money than any other pick on our list. Measuring just over 16 inches long, this sturdy sous vide machine offers 800 watts of cooking power, providing a cooking range of 41 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. There is an adjustable clamp, so you can easily attach it to any pot from 2.6 to 4 gallon capacity. You also get a 2.25 gallon per minute circulation pump for even water heating, as well as the peace of mind of temperature stability within 1/10 of a degree. When it comes to cleaning, this sous vide machine makes things easy and convenient. The stainless steel casing and water cap are dishwasher friendly and easy to reassemble once the parts have dried. Number 5. Instant Acu Slim Sous Vide. If you're new to sous vide cooking, this pick from the makers of the Instant Pot is the best sous vide machine for beginners. The Instant Acu Slim Sous Vide Immersion Circulator is an 800-watt sous vide machine that adapts to almost any recipe, with cooking times from 1 minute to 72 hours and temperatures that range from 68 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. We love this option for beginners because of the user-friendly digital interface that lets you easily set your temperature and desired cooking time. There's also a large color indicator for each stage of the cooking process, making it easy to keep an eye on your food even if you are on the other side of the room. This little appliance doesn't disappoint when it comes to performance. Its precision heat not only warms water fast, it also does it evenly, eliminating cold/hot spots that could affect the overall doneness of your food. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.